Go.
Thank you, CharityNet USA, for this opportunity. I'm Jaja, and I represent A Cure in Sight, a nonprofit organization dedicated to raising ocular melanoma awareness and helping those with ocular melanoma find and pay for the treatments they need, as well as supporting the OM patient family as a whole. Our mission is to provide awareness, support, education, and funding for life-saving treatments for those who suffer from ocular melanoma while supporting the whole family. Ocular melanoma is a rare eye cancer that affects approximately 2,000 patients each year. While the initial tumor is nearly always treatable, if found early, about 50% of patients will develop fatal metastases. While we continue to search for the keys that will help unlock a cure, there is currently no cure for metastatic ocular melanoma. Although some clinical trials are showing great promise, our organization is made up of all patient or family volunteers also fighting this rare cancer. This is how we pay it forward. We help raise awareness through social media programs such as our Cure Companions, wellness fairs across the country, and awareness events such as our Swing for Sight golf tournament and awareness apparel designed to open the conversation about the importance of having annual dilated eye exams. Our newest program is called OMG, Ocular Melanoma Getaways. Through donation of timeshare and private vacation homes, we are sending families away on week-long bucket list destinations so they can recharge, renew, and restore the family bonds while making memories of a lifetime. So far, we've helped many families with medical bills and travel assistance grants. We recently awarded our first OMG getaway to one of the many deserving families. We would ask others to help pay it forward by first getting a dilated eye exam, as it is the only sure way OM can be detected. Additionally, you can pay it forward through donations of gas cards, travel vouchers, frequent flyer miles, monetary donations, or hotel or vacation timeshare donations. This will provide patients much needed family time away from the stress and fear an ocular melanoma diagnosis brings. We can give families hope and the gift of time free of cancer. I'm a survivor too, and this is my passion. Help me show an OM diagnosis does not have to mean financial crisis when there is a cure in sight. Thank you.